While I wait for Tams, I thought I'll let you guys know what we're going to do today.
Wait for Tams. I'm ready.
I think we're staying around here. We're going to walk down to the White Tower, then to I think it's Great Alexander's statue, and then we're going to go to see these umbrellas.
You mean the beach?
And then from the umbrellas, we're going to go, I think we'll just walk around there. Yeah.
Very specific. Checked out and ready to go. We are on our way to the car to drop off our stuff and then do all the things Nick said this morning.
Looking so cool with your glasses, hey? It's so bright out here. If I didn't look Asian already, I look more Asian today. It's a good day. Apparently we are very lucky because the past few days was actually raining. We arrived at our car and we didn't get a fine, so we're good.
Nick, what you doing?
Shaving.
So you don't look like a rabid dog.
I don't want to look like a dog in the expo. Bags are dropped. Now we look like a local. Tam says she wants to go see the dogs, so we're going to go see the dogs. And I've got my shades, so
Why don't you sound excited to see the dog?
Because I've got a dog at home. I don't need to see another dog. We're walking into the expo. Tam wants to go meet her family.
Tell my dad on you.
This is Tam's element. All the dogs. Brother. He's so cute.
Come take my hand, I'll take you there. I think you're gonna like it here. A little bit different atmosphere, like a brand new frontier. I think you're gonna like it here. Hey, nice to meet you. Hey, so good to see you.
We're done with the dog show.
Nick rushed me.
I didn't rush Tam.
They were so cute. There were so many of them. Oh my word.
They were very cute. But yeah, it was great. Now we're on to do real things in Thessaloniki.
Straight outside the expo, and now we have stumbled across the market. Is it our day or what? So cute. Coco would love it.
It feels so good to be walking and not driving in Thessaloniki.
Hey, I'm still fixing my hair. Oh, dude, look at it.
I feel less stressed, and yeah, Tamron feels the same because she wasn't driving.
Now I'm just like, look at my hair, because the wind is
That's the only
blowing.
thing that stresses Tam is her hair.
Ah, being a woman.
I think we spotted the White Tower. It's not white, but it's a tower.
Hey, it's nice to meet you. Hey, so good to see you.
So the White Tower was built in the 15th century after the fall of Thessaloniki to the Ottomans in 1430, and it was actually previously known as the Lion Tower due to the success or the winning of the Ottomans.
Baby, we're the pilots. We're arriving whenever we want.
This is Alexander the Great.
Baby, we're the pilots. Oh, baby, we are the pilots. Baby, we are the pilots. Don't need a ticket to come home when you want to. 'Cause even when I'm not with you,
We're on our way to the umbrellas.
sun up,
There it is.
sun down.
We are at one of the most famous Greek contemporary cultures. It's the umbrellas behind me. Ta-da! So they're actually supposed to depict that they're actually being blown away with the wind.
Why?
I don't know. It was created by George Zongolopoulos.
But baby, with the pilot.
We are finally leaving the umbrellas after waiting to get a photo.
It is popular.
We're now on our way to look for some snacks maybe, or well, we already finished all 3 things that we wanted to complete today. I think there's other things to do around here, so we'll probably Google and then just walk around.
Pilots will arrive and whenever we want tonight. Baby, with the pilots.
He's a lost puppy. Sometimes.
We are queuing to taste some Bougatsa. It is phyllo pastry with custard inside and dusted with icing sugar. So I'm very, very, very excited.
Wherever we want tonight. Baby, with the pilots, with the pilots.
So they wouldn't allow us to sit inside because we don't have our vaccination cards on us. So now we're walking to the beach to have it, well not the beach, to the waterfront to have it there.
We made our way to the waterfront and let's see if it's as good as it looks. It's okay, it's like, I know, it's got like a little graininess to it for the custard. It's not as like smooth. And phyllo pastries and crisp. It's okay.
Take my hand. Together we'll make it. Together we can. To the end. Together we'll make it. So come take my hand. Take a deep breath and rest for a while.
We've made it to the Arch of Galerius.
So the Arch of Galerius celebrates the victory of Galerius in his campaign against the Persians, and it was built between 298 and 305. So there's actually a lot of vivid stories, I don't know if you can see in the little corner here, of depicting what actually happened, but the detailing is amazing. It's freaking cool.
I think there's only 3 of 8 that's left, and this is one of them. We're on the way to the Roman Forum. Tamron loves Greece. We've just made it to the Roman Forum.
So we are just reading up on the sign that explains a little bit about this place, and it says it's the first use of the archaeological site of ancient agora is dated back to Hellenistic times. So I think it was kind of like a store. I know there's a amphitheater in the corner and a pool, so it must have been really cool back then.
We're now headed to the street market to get some, or look at some food, because I'm full. Maybe if there's something good, we'll try it. It is called Kopani Market. I think that's how you say it, with an Asian accent there.
Hey, it's nice to meet you. Hey, so good to see you. Hey, it's a brand new day. So much to share.
We've made it to the market.
So basically this is where you get your meats, your fish, your groceries, souvenirs and everything else in between.
We were hoping to find things that are already cooked, so we'll look around and maybe we'll find some of the desserts that we're looking for.
Yeah.
Hey, so good to see you.
We couldn't find any food at the market, so we just walked around the waterfront and now we're back at the car. So we are currently leaving Thessaloniki. It was actually a lot of fun there. initially when we landed, I was like, nah, it's okay. But now that we're back and we spent the day, it was really awesome. I don't know if it's because it was Friday last night and everyone was like potting it up. Like my hotel room was going tsh, 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 do, 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 the whole night till like 2. But today was epic. Any thoughts?
It was good.
It was good. Any other thoughts?
No.
The man of few words. So now we're off to the beach.
Hey, it's nice to meet you. Hey, so good to see you.
More talks on the beach.
We'll be flying wherever we want tonight. Baby, we're the pilots. We're the pilots. Baby, we're the pilots. Oh, baby, we are the pilots.
They're tapping on my head the whole night. How's that?
What?
We're the pilots, baby, we're the pilots. Oh, baby, we are the pilots.